All right, so today we're looking at these Beitk seat covers. These were sent to us for a review. Now, these are your nice leather seat covers. It has front seat and back seat. Before we start to install it, it said make sure you line it out and make sure you have everything. So we've got everything for the back seat right here, as well as our hooks, and you can either hook or buckle it. So now we're gonna open up the car and put it inside. All right, so here's what we have to work with. So step one is just getting this up and over so it goes over. And then you do have to take this off to put it through the thing. So you actually want to take off the headrest because then you can flip this over it. And then when you put it back in, all right, so if you pull it tight, you see that that comes down and around. And then we have our seat belts here that will go on the outside. But now that's gonna fit the seat really well. All right, so before we put the actual seat part on, it says to go ahead and extend it out the other way too. You see we have the Velcro here. We're gonna pull this middle console and then just Velcro it to the back of this first piece. And then we can take this headrest and put it over the top of this one. So we got that strapped in underneath and it just popped that back down. So that covers that. And then on this side again, we're just gonna flip this over the rest, stick it on, and then pull it up and around. Then it can just slip right over the top here. So if I went too far. Now you'll notice down here we have these hooks so we can connect to the lower seats. So let's grab those next. Okay. Then you get a bunch of these little buckle things. You just slide them through here and then you can connect that to these ones as well. So I'll pull that in on that side. So now they're kind of connected here and then we can just tuck that in. So let's do that for this side as well, like that. And now we can tuck those in underneath the seat. All right, so the front seats are a lot easier because you just throw stuff over the top and then it Velcros together. So we got this over the top, and then we buckle these together just like we did in the back. And now we've got a full set. So this looks a lot nicer now that we're done. What a cool product. Pretty sweet.